हेलो, नमस्कार। मैं इंद्रजीत नारायण सिंह यूट्यूब से एमएससी एंथ्रोपोलॉजी एंड एलएलबी मैं आज लैंडमार्क जजमेंट सरफेसी एक्ट 2002 का दे रहा हूँ। मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में प्रस्तुत करूँगा, इसलिए आप इसे ध्यान से सुने। लेकिन जजमेंट वो इंग्लिश में होगा, इसीलिए कि सारी जजमेंट इंग्लिश में ही होती है। सीरियल नंबर 4, cause title of judgment, authorized officer, Indian Overseas Bank versus Ashok शामिल, decided on 26 July 2009. Issue, jurisdiction of the debt recovery tribunal under section 17 of SARFAESI Act 2002. आप जजमेंट की मुख्य जिस्ट सुने। In this appeal, which arose out of SLP/C number 27399 of 2008, the main question which was before the court of determination was whether the DRT would have jurisdiction to consider and judicate with regard to the events post the invocation of section 13(4) of SARFAESI Act 2002, or whether its scope in term of section 17 of the SARFAESI Act 2002 would be confined to the states contemplated under section 13(4) as contended on behalf of the appellants. It was held by the Honorable Apex Court that the intention of the legislator is therefore clear that while the bank and financial institutions have been vested with a stringent power of recovery of the dues, safeguards have also been provided for rectifying any error conducing an adjudication into the matter to declare any such action invalid and also to restore possession even through possession may have been made to the transferee. The consequence of authority vested DRT under subsection 3 of section 17 necessary implies that the DRT is entitled to question the action taken by the secured creditor and the transactions internal into by the virtue of section 13(4) of the Act. The legislator, by including subsection 3, in section 3, in section 17 has gone to the extent of vesting the DRT with authority to even set aside a transaction including sale and to restore possession to the borrower into appropriate causes. This was landmark judgment of SARFAESI Act. आपने इसे सुना और अब जो है आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करके अगला लैंडमार्क जजमेंट सरफेसी और डीआरटी का आपको दे सकूं। धन्यवाद।